This is how you take a cutting board that looks like this and turn it into this. Just using this, and what you believe, no scrubbing required. So what you do is take your board and then you pour some Clorox on it. Just use the top of the Clorox and then pour the Clorox in that top and then pour it on the board. Next, you take the dishwashing liquid and you pour a little bit of dishwashing liquid on the board as well. Once you do that, just take the board and just move the liquid around the board. And especially on the hard to clean spots, like as you see on mine, I've cleaned this thing a lot of times, you know, with dishwashing liquid, and those spots never came up. So this is going to fix that. This is going to clean that. Once you do that, just sit it down and then watch the magic happen. I'm fast forwarding now, but it literally took less than 2 minutes to see the stains go away, and that was amazing. And I just want to show you this because this was like a wow factor. Once you do that, just take the board and then rinse it off with hot water. So just pour some hot water on top of it. Like I said, you don't have to scrub it, you don't have to touch it really. I mean, no towel needed. Just rinse it off and you're good to go. Now, if you still feel like it's some stains you want to get off of it, you can repeat the process, do it again. It's very easy to do, as you see, and it's amazing how clean your cutting board is going to get. And all this was done just by using this Clorox and a little bit of dishwashing liquid. Easy peasy. So just to recap, take the cap of the Clorox bottle and pour the Clorox inside of that, pour that on the board. Once you do that, you take the dishwashing liquid and just pour a little bit of that on the board as well, move it around and let it sit for like a minute or two, and then rinse it off, and that's it. So if you got value out this video, show some love and smash the like, subscribe, and bell notification. And if you need any of these products or just want to replace your board, check out my Amazon links in the description below and also in the comment section.